North Central Texas, East Central Watts County, North Central Texas, until 6 p.m. At 5:04 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located 4 miles southeast of Decatur, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Justin, North Lake, Corral City, Argyle, Bartonville, Cook, Copper Canyon, Denton, Highland Village, Corinth, Rio Roberts, Argyle, Bois, Shady Shores, Sanger, Lake Dallas, Cruiserville, Hickory Creek, and Crossroads. Frequent lightning is occurring with this storm. Stay away from windows and doors and avoid using corded telephones unless it is an emergency.